What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to vlogmas, guys. Yes. So from morning, I get up my work. So I can't say I not do nothing, but I go back in there, so I try to get some things done. But from morning, me they on the mood. But I gotta stop, take a break, put on my wig, and go film some reaction video. Cause I never get to do none yesterday. Trust me, from a morning, I wake up outside cool, breezy.
You live in the USA.
May I tell you, like we'll get some foreign weather down here. Man.
We're in the US.
Yes, guys, it's breezy. Not sunny this morning. Breezy.
Yeah.
You see, it dim. Look on the sky. From morning, at this one. Yeah. But the on the moon. Answer you.
No, yeah, we can do dancing.
No dancing.
Off guard.
For morning, Pele get up a clean, Pele the funny cleaning, Pele tied up a room and all of that. This one just a come out of class. Yes, this one just a come out of class. Then I pick up the phone for morning and vlog, but yeah. I'm gone. Pele been running from the camera like every day. So, yeah. So when I do now, I really want to wash my ear now. I don't want to wash it on flat iron. I want to wash your ear and clean it up. Because next week I can braid it up. Yes, but and dance. She ever want to dance and she can't dance at all. Pele got in the kitchen and read him snack pan. You can't dance with them,
Pele
Pele.
can't dance this antisha.
Really? Pele can dance that? Pele? Come my shadow. Yeah, him can't do it, may I tell
Antisha,
you.
him don't know if we do Joanna. Antisha know all Joanna do.
Pele.
Aye, Antisha. No, Antisha.
Wait, you better too full.
10 Pele, him dance.
Yeah, anybody win get $500.
500 for real? No.
So you don't want the prize? Eh? Alright, boy rich. Yeah, boy rich. Man, what if I think we for do? I'm just feel tired and lazy, but I'm gonna get to them. Like, seriously, yeah. I really want to fix my ear and I do one pedicure, so I need to get to them. But first, I need to do some video and go take on the room again. I'm just take out the meat out of the fridge for cook dinner. So just finish eat lunch. That's why I feel the same belly full, can't dance. So check back in with you guys, alright? Not all the vlog must go. Don't tell me all the vlog must going on. All the vlog must going on. Let me know down below, okay? As you can see, I record my reaction video them. Yes. So do that. Cook. Still have some stuff left to do. Yeah. Cause me have to edit. I have some clothes for fold up, so clothes and sheet and a whole heap, I'm not gonna lie. So not even know what I'm gonna do. If I'm gonna eat first, no, yeah, I'm gonna eat first. If I'm gonna fold them first and then bathe and edit, or bathe, edit and fold them. I don't even know which way them are organized, what I'm gonna do today. Yeah. So here's Din Din. finish eat, turn on the Christmas tree, and the Santa. Yeah, Tati, I go wash up plate. Me I go fold up clothes. No, Kelly, I go play a game.
When I go play a game, why Tati can't go play a game?
Cause you're there for wash plate,
I
so.
think you don't want to catch me on the dirt.
No, you're right. The dirt or sand that. You feel it? What you call that shit? Do sand out it.
No, a dirt man I do like this.
A sand.
I play do sand. Dirt would like this.
So yes guys, I'm gonna deal with my pile of clothes right now. Tired. Some like I'm just done eat. We just go. Meanwhile I make the food digest, I just go fold them up, edit and then go bed. From bed I can just lie in my bed and relax. Yeah. I think that's the best thing to do. Yep. You see the pile? All clean was washed. And all these need to be tonight. Yes, I have all these clothes and sheet to fold up and then edit and go bed. You all know what time it is. It's time to say goodbye until tomorrow, guys, because I got to get working. Yeah, I got to get on it. All right, I gotta get on it. All right, so I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next vlogmas video. All right, I am out. Bye.